Why is RUTO becoming stronger and stronger? He's moving from one church to church, giving donations. He's giving, now he went to Nyeri. He said he gave 500 million for the youth. Nyota Fund. How much is that? Was it 500 million? He took, I think he's saying 500 million for Nyeri people. Everywhere he's giving for the young people. It is not Nyota. Nyota, read the name Nyota. It's star. He's stealing your stars. Hallelujah. Taking away. You think that the government inatupatia? No. It is not government. It is RUTO operational. That you see can be very bold. And again, after a few days, he sends police to go and kill people there so that the blood can ferment it. Hallelujah. I am not opposed to it. I am not opposed to anything that they are doing. But before you get into this is very spiritual. Whatever RUTO is doing in this nation as of now, he is engaging in the spirits. He is not engaging in the physical. He is not now in your level. He has gone. He is about 1 million kilometers away from you. He is operating from the spirit. He is not operating from your level. That is why he has more confidence in what he is saying. He has too much confidence. Too much. And he is speaking like he will be the life president. Yesterday I saw him saying, for a nation to grow, you need a dictator. A dictator means he's not getting out of the city anymore. And he is affirming, he's releasing himself. He's emboldening himself to you, releasing the spirit of a dictator to you, so that he conditions you. When he decides to become, he will have conditioned you in the spirit. You will not be able to say no. He has given 500,000 in every county. He has bought it. Remember those days of the table banking of the wife. They moved 47 counties doing a table banking. And that every count we found ourselves saying, "Si uchawi, ni maombi. Si uchawi." And we didn't know that already we had been engraved into an altar. We were captured into an altar. Until we are able to undo this, we move to the 47 counties and undo it. Hallelujah. This still man holds us spiritually. You can do nothing against him. He doesn't need your vote. He needs his altar to work for him, and it will work.